For today's video, I'm sharing my favorite easy lemon loaf cake recipe. In a medium bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Whisk this until everything is well combined. As always, all of these instructions, as well as the full written recipe for this easy lemon loaf cake, can be found down below. Next, in a large bowl or the bowl of a stand mixer, you will need to combine 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of granulated white sugar, as well as 1 teaspoon of freshly grated lemon zest. Mix this on low for 3 to 5 minutes or until everything is well incorporated and the mixture is nice and light and airy. Now we will add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 large room temperature eggs. And once again, we're just going to mix this on low for a couple of minutes until it's nice and pale and creamy. Now we'll add in 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix on low for about 30 seconds or until everything is well incorporated. Similar to a cake, we're going to alternate adding our dry and wet ingredients. So begin by adding half of your dry ingredients, and then we're going to want to mix this on low until they are just incorporated. For the wet ingredients, I have 1/2 cup of whole milk, so I'm going to add in about 1/4 cup, and once again I'm going to mix this on low until all of that liquid is incorporated into my lemon cake batter. Repeat these steps with the remaining dry and wet ingredients and mix until everything is smooth. I have a well-greased 8" by 5" loaf pan. I'm going to place a small sheet of parchment that extends up the sides into my loaf pan to make it easier to remove. This step is optional. Now we can pour our lemon cake batter in. Use a spatula to get it as level as possible, ensuring that you get it to the edges and into the corners. My oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, and this lemon loaf cake is going to bake 45 to 55 minutes. Take it out as soon as the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Allow it to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, and then you can use those handy parchment handles to move it to a wire rack to cool for an additional 30 minutes. To make the easy lemon glaze, in a small bowl, combine 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Whisk this until everything is nice and smooth and well combined. If you like a lot of glaze, I'd suggest doubling the amount for this, and I'll leave that down in the description box below as well. Drizzle your lemon glaze over top of your finished lemon pound cake. You will need to allow about 1 hour for the glaze to fully set. And then it's ready to slice and enjoy. This lemon loaf has a wonderful soft crumb and a delicious tangy lemon flavor. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. Thanks for watching!